Hello world. Hopefully this is all streaming. Anywho, we are back. I don't know. Anyway, hello world. We are back with a SpriteKit starter template, which is really bare bones and just kind of walks us through like the basic flow. So real quick, I'll show you on the phone and then I'll also show you on the Mac. This should work for iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple TV, and really simply, I think you get it working on the Vision Pro. Let's go over to the simulator here and go main menu. And what's this? Close. Live stream stuff. All right, we got options menu, which has, nothing, but it's, fill it out with options. You got a play button, and you got this. And score 1, because I already started it there. Let's fix this. And you can see I just got killed, so let's close this down. No. Work with me. Close. Alright, we'll open it up. And you got your menu. You hit play. And here's a little collectible. And you see little enemies chasing me, and the score is 0. And I go pause. I could go main menu. Yeah, I could have hit resume as well. And then it puts me back over there. That's a bug. But anyway, score 1. Died. Main menu. Could have also restarted the game. Really simple. It kind of gives us the main menu, the pause menu, the game over. And that's pretty much it, right? And gives you an area to where you can start writing game logic and rendering your own stuff. Down below in the description, you'll find a link to the repository, so you can just copy the code. Once you go over here, what are the options? Copy. Thought you could just download Anyway, you download this. Get your code going, get your Xcode project, and then when you have your Xcode project, you got this, which is, we're going to start here. Is the starting point of just a SwiftUI app. And what I would do, if I just downloaded this, I would open up, I would go to File. Excuse me. File. Damn it. File. Project. I'd set a new project. I'd make it multi-platform, unless you didn't want to work on multi-platform. Call it something like My Game. Save it somewhere amazing, like desktop. Go create. Alright, here's our project. Pretty awesome. Then what I'd do is I'd come over here, and I'd just go Command A, Command C, Command tilde to get back over to our other window. Command A. What's that back called that? Yeah, we come over here. Maybe instead of doing that, I would just copy from like var down. Choop, the first variable, some body. Copy that. Command C. Command tilde. Come back over here and then go paste. And there we go. Now it's going to complain because this app status isn't there. And we'll get into that. And that's an extension because macOS doesn't have a status bar. So we'll fix that real soon. We also want to delete our content view because we're not going to use this one. I mean, we could, but we're not. So I'll delete this. Move to trash. How long have we been streaming? Where does it say? 4 minutes. Okay, so we're 4 minutes into this, and things are going amazing. So then I'd come here and I'd select this, and then control click, control click, control click, control click, control click. Then we got everything. Command C, Command tilde, come over here into our navigator, Command V, boom, we've got everything. Command B, everything should be great. And look at that. So that quickly we're up and running with a game. Obviously not a great game, but that's the idea, is that now we can move around and we can come over and grab this collectible after we get this enemy away from us because he's really persistent. Boom, score 1. We're gonna die. Yep. And that's just needs to be resized there. But yeah, now we've got all our views here. It's like our mainly it's menu views. We have a switch state on this game state, which the game state is in our model. We have physics category and game state. And then plain view is the one where the game scene and SpriteKit and GameKit are all integrated in, and we have our little HUD set up and all of that. This shared environment is, read this awesome post at Nil Coalescing blog. Really fantastic blog for people that like Swift UI stuff. Resources could be sounds, graphics, whatever you want to put in there. And models, like I said, it's the physics category. It's the game states. We could add more. Our extensions is that view status bar extension. So it's just if you're doing cross-platform like iOS, macOS. And then we've got our controllers, which handles logic like Game Center. Right here, I just put question marks, but you'd say, oops, you don't put spaces, game, and then you'd tie this up in whatever. So that's like a high score, daily high score. Come down here, you've also got a function to start reporting achievements. Tie all this up. The input controller is mostly like this bare bones, I guess, kind of here, but I need to work on it, implement it a little bit better, and get it integrated, because right now if we go to the game scene controller, what I would do here is I would just comment these out, and then wait for it. If I go command, there we go. And then you can go through and you can find all these little things, and you just delete all this, not all that, and then you start implementing your own code. Or maybe you're like, oh, actually this is not bad, I'll actually just select this and refactor, extract a method. Yeah, it's really having a hard time thinking that. You'd name it something amazing like extract a collision code, right? Where did it put it? I guess it just puts it right. Oh, does it drop it up on the top? That's annoying. Anyway, you'd clean up the code or delete it, because it's basically to get you up and running quickly. Like, that took less than 7 minutes to have a game, to have things set up where we could start just implementing the actual game. So that's the idea behind that. So there you go. If you have questions, leave them in the comments. Link down below to the repository, and yeah, I'll try to work on to add a few more little things, but try to keep it bare bones, so it's really like you can just copy and paste and get started. Also, let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see a SceneKit version of a starter template, and also metal templates. So sorry for the lack of stuff lately. I've just, life. But I want to focus on this and try to make some decent games so you can make money. So maybe I can put more time into this and share more stuff and not do other shit. But we'll see how that goes. Anywho, just wanted to share this little update, and hopefully it's useful to someone. But I think that's it for the stream. Now I gotta see you in stream.